Hello and welcome everyone, this is Patrick speaking from the MODE360. Today I would like to show you a new version of the MODEViD software with new feature which is combining automated background removal and keeping a real shadow underneath the product.
So what I have got in front of me is the MODEViD 4.4. I'm just going to present you the shadow option now. So what I need to do is I go to BGR mode, I need to enable the automated background removal, and then I need to select the shadow because I want the software to consider the shadow on the platform and I want to apply the shadow to my final image. Next, I simply click the capture icon. And this is the final result. So what we can see is we have a PNG file with a purely transparent background, but still we have the shadow underneath our image. This is not like a computer generated shadow, it's not a fake shadow, it's just a real shadow made by the light source implemented inside the Jumbo system. So the new MODEViD version 4.4 features a shadow option which combines automated background removal with a real shadow underneath the product. Please bear in mind that updating the MODEViD software and having the shadow feature also requires implementation of additional light source inside the MODE360 device. If you would like to get more information about having the shadow feature in your system, please go to contact page on our MODE360 EU website and we will provide you more detailed information about this new feature.